Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to install YouTube app on Mac. I'm going to show you how to do it, but I would like you to first hit that subscribe button because it really helps me and you are also not going to miss out on such tutorial videos created by me. So first you need to open Google Chrome. Once it is open, type youtube.com in the URL bar and hit enter to open it. Now click on this icon with three dots that is there on the top right corner of the Chrome window. Once the menu opens, go to Cast, Save and Share, and here you are going to find Install YouTube. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get this pop-up. Just click on Install. And there you go. Now this is not Chrome. This is YouTube opened from the app I just installed. You can see the icon has been added to the dock. Now just right click on this icon, go to Options and then click on Keep in Dock. This is going to add YouTube app to your dock so that you can easily access it. And with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video helped you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.